welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Dreamer Design Trial Diamond Canvas Kits. You have the choice between 4 kits, Over the Rainbow, Butterfly, Orchid Fantasy, Twisted Blossom, and Liberty Lies. They say that each kit is worth $24.99, but because this is a free trial, they charge you only for the shipping, and the shipping was $8.95. One thing that you have to be careful though is that because I think Dreamer Design is not an American company and the headquarters are located overseas, so when I pay via credit cards, they charge me like a 1% fee or something, like when my credit card company charged me a 1% fee. So I think you gotta be aware of it if you decide to go for one of their free offer, or even if you want to buy on their website. So the one that I pick is Butterfly Orchid Fantasy. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter by Sandra Trubin. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. So as you can see, there's a little difference compared to the other diamond painting companies, that you got like a little handle if you want to carry your diamond painting, but I don't really think it's necessary because it's on the wrap. So let's see. And I know I said earlier that it was $8.95 for the shipping. It's for each painting, and I don't think that if you buy the 4 at the same time that they're giving you a discount or something like that. And I do not think that you have the possibility to upgrade. So let's see. Put that away. That's a very nice little bag. I was scared it was some drill at the bottom, but no, it's just some thing from the box. So here there's a canvas. That's kind of nice as it got a little ribbon on it. This is a drill. Right, there's a pen. Some nice, the tweezer with a name on it. They're pretty sturdy. It's not like the cheap kind that you're gonna get from you know, this cheap kit that you buy from on AliExpress. I really like this little pouch. It's really soft too, very soft. So they gave me 2 pens, 2 boards, and on the board they get the name too. They gave me a lot of baggies, and that's kind of nice. One squishy, so one multiplacer, gotta be 5 or 6, I don't know, and that's gotta be a free multiplacer. I don't use multiplacer, so that's it. And the 2 wax, I really like that's the wax like in a little box. I find it very cute, instead of just giving a plain wax between two little sleeves. All right, so I'm gonna put that back. I really like, really like this. It's kind of nice. Okay, these two I really appreciate, like this little bag. Even you probably can reuse it for some other painting that you're about to do, and store them in that. Let's see. Oh wow. I think one of the reproach that has been made to this company before, well, I started diamond painting this year, but it seems like that they came, well, they started already producing like diamond painting probably a year, I don't know, year ago, couple of years ago, and people were very unhappy because they say that it was a lot of saturation, and well, they had quite a lot of backlash, and so they relaunched, I guess, a new version of the company in March 2020 this year. And so I look at some of the review of some pretty famous YouTuber that know a lot about diamond painting, and still seems like they still were not very happy with it. It is true that if you compare the color are very, like, it's really popping, or only on the canvas. So I'm gonna see with the drills. First, let me see if it's in here. Yep. So let me see. It was supposed to be a 30 by 30, so I don't know, is it, or they say it's a design size, so I guess it has to be this and this. So I'm gonna measure it. Yeah, it is 30. It's like 12-inch here for American measurements. And here, yeah, that is 12 inches, so that is 30 by 30. Also, they're giving you, you know, the legend as a sticker. So, and this painting has 39 colors. That's kind of a lot for such a tiny painting. Yeah. Let me check the stickiness. It is pretty sticky. I don't have no complaint, but it's true, if you used to do especially diamond art club painting, this is like this color, it is wow. And it is true, I think that's one of the reproach that has still been made to them, is that some of the time are a little blurry. I don't know if you can see here, and like especially for like the U, it's not very annoying, you can clearly see, but it's not like very clear. So now I'm going to show you the drill. And I'm going to do a close-up of the picture. Let me see something. Okay, one thing that is good with them is that, as you can see here, they put number 1 and the DMC color code, and then it's follow 2 to 9 3, you know, like where you put the legend, like on the legend, like the drills are in order, so 1 154, 2 209, 3 210. So that's something that I do like, because I know with diamond art clubs they're not putting in order, they're just putting, I don't know how it comes from the factory. So let's see. The colors are very vibrant, that is true. And I get only this one for the free trial because one, the Over the Rainbow is a rose, and I already have one that look a bit like this, and the tail is the one I did not really into the design of it, but I did order some other painting, and they got some pretty big painting on their website, and it can be a little bit expensive too. Like some is like $60. After, I know with Diamond Club you get coupons and stuff, so even if Diamond Club the painting are expensive, you always can find a coupon somewhere. Alright, so hold on, what does it say? Okay, they say 2 ABs, yeah, I can see them. That is this too. The white one and the green one here. Oh, I did not do in order, but the color are in order, so that's pretty cool. And now I'm gonna show you a close-up. Another picture. I'm gonna take a picture too at the end, like that. Maybe you can see more clearly the painting. The camera is good quality. Yeah, it is kind of. Yeah, it is good quality too. So that's it. Well, inside the canvas there was to the little brochure with the instruction, and the Instagram and Facebook, and that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.